friend of mine called me last year because she wasn't sure if what she was doing counted as cheating. They'd been together 3 years and had never had any conversation about this. So she was basically up late talking to her coworker. They were texting, but there was a vibe. Nothing happened, but she felt off about it and she didn't really know like how to name it. And the honest answer is there's no universal definition of cheating. It really just depends on what both people decide counts or doesn't count, and whether that conversation happened out loud or not. Which is exactly the problem. Most couples never talk about it. They just sort of assume that the other person understands. And some people consider emotional intimacy as with someone else as a breach, but some people are fine with their partners having really close friendships with even their exes. And some draw the line at physical contact or or maybe a combination of those things. And none of these are wrong, but what is wrong is assuming that your partner has the same definition without talking to them about it. We cannot always control the crushes and the feelings that come up. What we can control is how we act on them. So being honest with our partner is always much better than silence. The guilt and the hiding can create more conflict than would have happened otherwise. So the conversation to have before anything happens is simple. What does it mean to you? What feels like a betrayal? What am I allowed to do, or would you rather not know about? It feels awkward to bring up when there's nothing wrong, but it's a lot worse to have this conversation when something is. Follow talk you never got for conversations you didn't know you needed to have.